How to use Xero for beginners, a Xero accounting software step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and guess what? For today's video, it's all about accounting software. If you're having hard time managing your finances and only get limited budget for this, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I will show you the easy step-by-step tutorial on how you can use Xero accounting software for beginners to manage your finances. So before we start, let's first understand what exactly Xero software used for. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software product that lets small business owners like you manage their finances from anywhere and integrate with more than 1,000 apps. It's less expensive than competitors like QuickBooks, for example, online, and doesn't charge extra for additional users, making it an affordable option for growing businesses. So to start with, just simply visit Xero.com, and this is their main homepage. It looks so simple and professional. And here are some of the features that you can get from this software, like bank reconciliation, send invoices, and pay bills. And here are their pricing. They have three different plans here. The cheapest is the starter for $22 per month. This is good for sole traders, new businesses, and the self-employed or freelancer. Second is the standard plan for $35 per month. This is good for growing small businesses. And lastly, the premium plan for $47 per month, good for established businesses of all sizes. All plans are also eligible for an add-on. So these are some of the add-on like claim expenses, track projects, and analytics. And by the way, their pricing depends on what region you are. This pricing that I show you is if you are in the Philippines. But if you're in the US, you can simply change your region. Just go up here and then click on change region, then select your region. For example, United States. And then just wait for a while. And over here, this software can also help you compute your sales tax. And over here, the pricing change. So for the first plan, the early plan, it's gonna be $12 per month. And for growing plan, it's $34 per month. And the established or premium plan, it's $65 per month. So to start here, Xero offer a free trial for new users. Like you can explore and experience how convenient their software can be. So to start with the free trial, just click here, try Xero for free. Then you'll be prompted to registration page, and here you can get a 30 days free trial, no credit card required, and you can get 24/7 online support and also cancel anytime. So just fill out this form to create an account, provide your name, email, phone number, and location. And also verify that I'm not a robot, and also check this box to agree to its terms of use and policy. So let me just fill out this form very quickly. And after that, here's the confirmation page. And by the way, with your free plan, you can send invoices and quotes, enter bills, reconcile bank transactions, capture bills and receipt, and also use multiple currencies. So here we just need to verify our email. So I will now go ahead and check my email inbox, and then I will just confirm the verification. Once done, the next step is to create your password to activate your account. And after you set up your password, the next is to provide your business information like your business name, the industry, last day of your financial year, and then if you have employees. Once you fill out this form, then click on Start Trial. Then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And here you can check the overview. And there is a video here that you can watch for 2 minutes for overview of the features. Then here you can set up your cash flow by connecting Xero to your bank account to get up to date of your financial and be ready to reconcile with your bills, invoices, and receipt. And here you can also set up or create or customize your own online invoices, So first, just provide your customer or client details here. You can enter the name here, and if the name is not yet in your contact, you can add it here. And then you can set up your due date is the date where you want to be paid. You have also invoices number here. Also, you can add reference number if you like to add one. Then here you can also select tax inclusive or tax exclusive or no tax. Then after that, just fill out this form for the invoices. And also you can add new line as well. And once done, you can save it to be added in your draft if you want to add something later on. But here, if you are set up already, you can go ahead and click approve for this invoice to be sent to your customer. And here under create new, you can set up how you can receive money from your customer. And for you to do that, you need to first connect your bank information. And once you're connected, then you have your option on how you can receive your money. So since I don't have any bank information to connect here, let me skip this. So going back to dashboard, here you can also track where your money is going. So you can set up your revenue, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Just mark gold star to important account categories. And here, let me close since I don't have the information here to provide. But here is the sample watch list when you set up this feature. And then you can also set up your bills on time here. It's like setting up your own invoice too. So let me just skip this and then manage and pay your employees. You can integrate some payroll apps. Xero have different options for payroll like Simple Pay, Deal, Roster Elf, HR Easy, VertoX, Carbonate, and Hooray. So just choose from any of this and simply create an account and connect your Xero account. So let me just skip this also and let's go back to dashboard. So here you can also stay on top of your taxes. So just click on choose report. Then here, just choose the reports that you need from sales tax report, profit and loss to balance sheet. And if you want to learn more about tax and how it filed, then you can learn it here. And then here you can learn more about taxes and how the tax being prepared and filed. So back to dashboard, you can also, by the way, track time and cost on your jobs and also explore some apps that you can integrate with Xero. And one more thing to add your contacts, just go up here, contact, and you can import your contacts here, or you can manually enter your new contact. So just provide the company name, the person name, email, contact number, their website, Skype if they have, and then the address. Then also fill out the financial details of these new contacts. And then once done, just click save. And for starter, they have a great tutorial videos on how you can easily set up everything here. So there is no need for you to worry about something. So that's how convenient and easy you can make use of Xero accounting software to manage all your financials. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something. And if you have any question, guys, just don't hesitate to comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.